Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can recover a Gmail account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. For that, what you need to do is you need to simply go ahead and first of all go to your browser and type in account.google.com, and here you will find your find your email section. All you have to do is enter your phone number or recovery email. What you need to remember is, let's say you don't remember your recovery email or you have not added a recovery email per se. But when creating yourself an email, you will add a number and you have to make sure either you need to remember your email or either you need to remember your number, one or the other. Let's say I remember my number. I'm going to go ahead and add in my number. When I tap on next, then I will find my account and I will access it. Now, another option is using a familiar device and location. Let's say you have not got your account on your phone, but if you have that same account logged in on your computer and you have added a home or work for that location, you can go ahead and access it that way. That's it. All you have to do is you have to make sure that you either remember the phone number or the recovery email. If not, then it will be really hard for you to access your account because you need to have one or the other information. That's it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.